I'm Lauren.
I'm Abby.
And this is the Lauren and Abby Show. First ever
webisode.
Yes. We were thinking that we do this challenge week.
Challenge us.
And you can send in your challenge and we'll video it and we'll put it up next Sunday.
So watch out.
Date that is. And you can send it into Lauren, Lauren, Abby, Abbie,
all one word,
2009 at hotmail.co.uk, and we'll do the stuff. So that's our very first
webisode. And oh yeah, add it in. Nothing too disgusting or drastic. We don't want to be like jumping off cliffs or stripping in the middle of the streets. No, not good.
Okay, so guys, see you later.
Bye.
This is Abby.
Mwah.
And I'm Lauren.